might be interested to know that your car can help you parallel park and help you get out of a tight parking spot. It can, thanks to available active park assist with Park Out Assist. Let me explain how it works. To activate the Park Assist feature, press the Active Park Assist button on the center console. Then, signal to indicate which side you'd like the vehicle to search. An information screen will appear on your center display, and the system will begin to scan for available parking spots. Once an appropriate spot is found, you'll hear a chime and see a Spot Found message on your screen. If you want the system to park for you, stop the vehicle shortly after hearing the chime. Then, remove your hands from the steering wheel and shift into reverse. Once in reverse, a rear view image will appear on the center LCD screen. Just follow the prompts. Using front, rear, and side-facing sensors, the system will maneuver your car. You just accelerate, shift, and brake as needed. And be sure to watch your mirrors and your surroundings for any objects which you may be getting too close to. To interrupt the parking process at any time, simply grasp the wheel or press the activation button. Keep in mind, as the car is moving into the spot, the rear parking aid chime will become more rapid the closer you get to an object. And another chime will let you know when it's time to shift your car into drive and straighten it out in the spot. When the system completes your maneuvers, you'll hear a final chime and see a message that the park is finished. Active Park Assist can also help get you out of a tight parking space, which is great if someone is parked too close in front of or behind you. To activate it, just press the same Active Park Assist button you used to park it. Let go of the steering wheel, then simply follow the prompts displayed on your screen. Once again, you just accelerate, shift, and brake as needed. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, visit LincolnOwner.com.